Hindi mo kailangang maging matalino to do forex trading. Sa mga nagsasabi na mahirap ang forex trading, yes, mahirap po ang forex trading pero natututunan. So your primary goal is not to become smart. Your primary goal should be to become knowledgeable. Gain experience, both good and bad. Learn from it. Tapos, try forex trading, use demo account. Tapos gradually and eventually, you will notice, you will become smarter. Naturally. Yes, that's true. So, sa mga napanghihinaan ng loob, kapag natatalo dahil siguro feel nila hindi sila matalino or hindi nila alam kung tama ba or mali ba yung ginagawa nila, actually that's part of the process. So, again, your primary goal is to become knowledgeable. Learn forex step by step. Learn gradually ka ako nga. Don't overthink sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi mo pa naman talaga nararanasan. Especially yung mga sinasabi nila na matatalo ka lang kapag hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo. That's the very reason why may mga demo accounts. That's the very reason why may mga gaya nito na channel na nagtuturo sa inyo kung paano nga ba talaga mag-trade. So, yun lang. Follow lots of forex trader na sa palagay ninyong makakatulong sa growth ninyo. So, magbasa ng libro, magbasa ng mga anything. Just become knowledgeable. Magsimula ka doon.